Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do bubble magic. I already unboxed the box, it's standing right here. So here's our ingredient, and we need warm water, and you need a magnifying glass. It's just for fun. Then you need our chemicals, our first chemical and our second chemical. Then you need a measuring cup, and then you need your ball and your pigment for color. Then you need a stain and one measuring spoon. So this is how we are going to start. We're going to do 40 to 30 milliliter of water. I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to take this. I'm going to use this. And so this is our first chemical, and one small scoop. Then we are gonna add our water. Then I'm gonna add again 20 milliliter of water in this one. Then I'm gonna close. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna add our second chemical, also with our spoon. Oh, and we have to stir. So, stir this one. That's after we stir. And I'm also making sure I'm gonna stir the sides because it forms a circle. And then I don't have to mix it everywhere. And remember to use hot water so it can dissolve faster. That's enough. I'm gonna add the pigment in this bowl. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so then I'm gonna add my red. Just gotta put that in the bowl. Add 2 drops. Oh, no, we put that. There we go. Let me just mix all the color in. That's a pinkish color. I'm gonna add 1 more drop, or maybe 2. There we go. That's one side. Then I'm gonna dissolve this one. gonna mix the last one. Now. I'm gonna stir on the side to see. There's some on the side, so you just see on the side circle. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much the load. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 3 drops, or maybe 4, yeah, 4 drops of yellow. That's enough. There we go. Green. By the way, it's called Bubble Magic. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add this. Here, our first cup of magic is gonna begin, guys! I'm so excited. There we go. And you also need 1 scoop of your second. Look at this, guys. Look how bubbly it is. Put that one I'm gonna say there. And then we're gonna put the yellow in here. Look, guys, this one has a lot of bubbles. It's like a volcano waking up. Steaming his stuff. This one doesn't have that much. Okay, so let me tell you guys why it creates this. It creates this because there's this gas that's called carbon dioxide. And the gas, if it's mixed with the chemicals, the gas that's called carbon dioxide escapes from the water. So that is why it creates